Welcome home to this luxurious 2-bedroom, 2-bath open concept suite in central Richmond Hill, where you can walk to transit, restaurants, and shops and be pampered with 5-star amenities. This gorgeous residence treats you to a brand new modern kitchen equipped with stainless appliances, quality cabinetry, and a breakfast bar, as well as an immense living area expertly illuminated by pot lights and that walks out to a balcony. The easy-to-care-for laminate flooring extends into the dining room, where you can share a meal with friends accented by fantastic views. With plenty of visitor parking available and a generous-sized second bedroom, you can accommodate your guests both inside and out. And you can slip away to the privacy of your huge master bedroom, which features his and hers built-in organizers in the closet and is complemented by a tastefully remodeled ensuite, whose modern touches delight today's most discerning buyers. The second full bath also impresses with its high-quality renovations. You'll also appreciate that the South Hill Shopping Center and Hillcrest Mall are just a stroll away. Call to schedule your private tour today.